In this video, I'll show you how to set up SMS automation using Mercuri. Go to the Templates section in the left-hand menu of your Mercuri dashboard and select SMS. In the top right corner, click Create Template to get started. You'll now see the SMS template creation form. Enter a short and descriptive template name, for example, Order Confirmed. You can also enhance your SMS by adding media attachments like images, videos, or documents, either by uploading a file directly or by including a URL. In the template text box, craft a clear and concise message within 160 characters. You can personalize it using dynamic variables by clicking Add Variable at the bottom right corner. Map each variable to the correct data fields, like the customer's name and order ID. Use the preview option to see how your message will look to customers, and once satisfied, click on Create. Now go to Automations and click on Create Automation. Select Order Created as the automation type, and choose SMS as the channel. If you have more than one number for SMS communication, you'll first need to select the number, and then choose the template under that number. Pick your SMS template which you have created. Click Create Automation. And that's it. Your SMS automation for Shopify using Mercuri is now ready. Customers will get timely updates automatically, saving you time and improving their experience. Scan the QR to book a free demo.